another Power Talk with Archana. Power Talk with Archana is pleased to bring to you our e-magazine Power Kids. Power Kids, the magazine, is all about celebrating the bond between gurus, teachers, and parents and kids that they share. I have with me Vedant Krishnabali, a 14-year-old young lad who's a national level inline speed skater. He is from GD Goenka Public School, Gurugram, India. He's been labeled the best skater in his age group across country. He is the integral member of the Gurgaon Skating Club. He has won many national and state events and medals that has brought laurels to not only his parents but also to his school. Not to forget, he is a 90% grader, securing various Hall of Fame awards and other academic accolades. He is also a scholarship student in his school in 2018 and 2020. He is no doubt an all-rounder. Let's welcome Vedant. Hello, Vedant.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. We are really happy to have you with us on Power Kids, and we are really glad to have featured you in Power Kids. You are indeed a Power Kid, and heartiest congratulations for being a source of inspiration, and you've done wonderfully well.
Thank you, ma'am. That means a lot.
It's absolutely our pleasure, Vedant. Vedant, so my audience would like to know, you are academically a very sound student. You have already been 2 times scholarship student at your school. You're doing wonderfully well as an inline skater. How do you strike that balance? Because it does require a lot of practice into what you have pursued.
Yeah, so, ma'am, to be a sports person, you should be disciplined. So, maintaining that discipline between the school and the training, that is very important. And managing your time well, that is also very important. So, when you have to train, you have to train, and when you have to study, you have to study. So that.
Yeah. Okay, great. So how many hours in a day do you spend in training your body?
Ma'am, 4 hours easily, and 5 days in a week, 2 days of rest.
Wow, that's amazing. I think that's a lot. I mean, that you are indeed an inspiration to many people who would want to come to your level and play like you. I think it's really amazing. Vedant, tell me, I mean, I know you are going to school 5 days in a week. You also practice, you're an academically a brilliant student. How do you spend your time on Saturday and Sunday?
Ma'am, on Saturdays and Sundays, on Saturday I have a morning session at 5 in the morning. So I wake up at 4:15 or 4:20, get ready, go to the track. Okay, so then I have my session and I come back. And after coming back, I have a little bit food or something, or heavy breakfast mostly, and I sleep. And then when I get up, I roam around for 5 or 10 minutes in the house, and then I study. And then in the evening again, I have a session from
Wow.
5:30. From 5:30 to 7:30, I train, and then I come back. Then I have my dinner and I sleep on time. Sometimes I wake up till 1.
So how do you balance your social life? What about your friends? What about going out with them? What about your entertainment?
Yeah, so ma'am, if when I don't have to study and I have a lot of free time, I watch some Netflix shows or YouTube, and I have my phone with me. I keep looking at my phone. I talk to my friends a lot, and they also help me in various stuff. Like of course, in studies, when I miss my studies, I ask my friends, and they help me. So that's that.
Yeah, great. Absolutely amazing. So when did you
Ma'am,
actually start thinking that this is what you wanted to do?
so, ma'am, since a very young age, I was interested in sports. I was very athletic and very energetic. My mom used to tell me it was difficult for her to take care of me inside the home. So, from a very young age, I was
Yeah.
very energetic and interested towards sport, inclined towards sports. When I was in 4th grade, I identified and I chose skating as my the main sport because I was very passionate towards fields. I really liked anything which involved fields, be it movies, be it toys, like those what is it called, Hot Wheels and all.
Yeah.
So that helped me. And when it was fourth grade when I decided that I had to train professionally in skating because I really liked it.
Lovely. Who is your role model?
My father has helped me a lot in helping me become who I am today. He has always helped me in every possible way. You know, he takes me to the track. He makes sure I have a healthy and complete diet. I wake up in the morning on time so that I don't get late for my practice, and I study well so that I score well in exams. So he is also,
Wow.
and I look up to him because he's very disciplined. He he's very organized. That inspires me a lot. I look up to him and I think that ऐसे कैसे, how will I do that when I grow up? But he always tells me with age you'll learn and everything will be all right. So that's that. And plus my coach, he's the sweetest person I've ever met. He's very nice. He helps me every time I go to him with my whatever doubts and cries. He helps me out. He comforts me and tells me everything will be all right.
Wow.
He coaches. He's a great person as well, and he's a great coach. Of course, he owns the club, the Gurgaon Skaters, and out of which almost four people have gone to the international competitions. In out of which two people won the Asian Championships. So that's that.
Wow.
I look up to him because he has also been an international skater.
Lovely. Great. So you would want to stay in India and, maybe you wanted to open academy or something, or what are your future plans? What are your future plans as far as skating is concerned?
Ma'am, I haven't really planned or thought about it yet because it's very soon to think
Yeah.
about it. Yes, ma'am. I don't know. I don't think I'll be opening an academy for sure.
Okay. Great. All right,
Okay, ma'am.
Vedant, let's play the favorite rapid fire round with you. Your favorite food,
Burgers,
chocolates or ice creams?
ice creams,
Hill stations or land?
land,
Oceans or mountains?
mountains,
Winters or summers?
summers for sure.
Okay, what are friends for you?
They're really important and type of a lifeline. They're really nice to me.
Okay, okay. Your mom,
Ma'am, ma'am, she's really helpful. She's really kind. She always helps me. Doesn't ever say no. Helps me mend my ways. Ma'am, she's very important to me. She's my favorite person.
thank you so much for speaking to us. We wish you all the best. May you achieve all your dreams, brings lots of laurels to your school, to your country, to your parents, and may you do very well. We wish you all the best. Have more power to you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.